How to create a video with CapCut through AI map text. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you how to create an amazing video using the CapCut application. By using artificial intelligence to transform specific text into a fun and attractive video. 1. The beginning. Let's start by entering the CapCut application on your mobile phone. After opening the application, click on the Create Video button to start creating a new project. 2. Add text. Now, click on the Add button and choose text from the available options. Type the text you want to convert into a video using artificial intelligence. For example, let's choose Add details of video that talks about a green land in the middle of which there are trees and animals that eat grass. 3. Convert text to video. Now, click on the text you added, then choose the Convert to Video option from the pop-up menu. You'll be presented with different options to customize the way text is converted to video. For Customize the video. You can now customize the video to your preferences, such as changing fonts, colors, and adding visual effects. You can also select the appropriate soundtrack for the video. 5. Export video. When you're satisfied with your video, click the Export button to save the video to your phone or share it via social media. So, you've created an amazing video using CapCut and AI, and now you can share it with the world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates. Thanks for watching. I hope this explanation is useful to you. If you need further clarification or have questions, feel free to ask.